Hi, thanks for watching. Ladakh is every rider's and traveler's dream. And now, my dream has become my memory. Every curve taught me something new, and every landscape took my breath away. When you ride to Ladakh, every mile shows you different face of nature. It's a one package, many true nature. We started from Delhi, then rode to Jammu, Jammu to Kashmir, Kashmir to Lamayuru, and finally Lamayuru to Leh, and then Pangong Lake. From Jammu to Kashmir, the road takes you through a series of stunning tunnels, each one leading you closer to the paradise of Kashmir. This is Ramban. The road construction is going on, and sometimes you will find the way blocked by horses and sheep, moving from one village to another. As we pass through these beautiful tunnels, the Chenani tunnel is the last one before entering to beautiful Kashmir. As we were about to reach Sonamarg in Kashmir around 6:57 pm, a vehicle came parallel to me, honking and shouting. For a moment, my heart skipped a bit. They overtook, one person leaned out, saying something I couldn't clearly catch, but I could sense they weren't happy. That's when I realized it might be because of the small national flag I had mounted on my bike. I immediately took it off to avoid any incident. Thanks to my Qubo bike dash cam for capturing a reminder that every journey carries lessons beyond the road. Day 3. Just before starting the ride from Kashmir to Lamayuru, taking a moment to enjoy the beautiful Kashmir view. The valley feels silent, hardly any tourist around, just peace and nature all around. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? लेह लद्दाख जा रहे हैं। हम लोग लेह के लिए निकल गए हैं सोनामर्ग से, और ये है मेरे पार्टनर, क्राइम पार्टनर। तो अभी ये सोनामर्ग 1 किलोमीटर है, फिर बालटाल है, फिर लेह। आज हम लेह पहुँचेंगे नहीं पहुँचेंगे वो बाद में पता चलेगा, लेकिन अभी कारगिल में पहले एंजॉय करेंगे, उसके बाद आगे का प्लान हम बताएंगे। हमारे साथ चलिए। साथ चलना। हाँ। A stunning view of Baltal in Kashmir. Right from here, the Zojila tunnel is taking shape. Once it opens, Ladakh will finally become an all-season destination. We have made it to Zojila Pass, where every curve tests your skill and every view takes your breath away. Oh, crazy! GoPro चला रखा है भाई। भैया आ जाओ, पीछे आ जाओ। This is the Kargil War Memorial. It was built in honor of the brave soldiers who fought and sacrificed their lives during the war with Pakistan. Welcome to Lamayuru, the iconic moonland. These off-white mountains you see are made of multani mitti, giving them a moon-like texture and glow. The same multani mitti used in beauty products around the world originates right here. We have reached the famous magnetic hill. Here it looks like your bike or car is rolling uphill, but it's actually an optical illusion. The mountains and the road's layout trick your eyes. After many days on the road, we finally reach Leh. A moment of pure relief and joy. What could be better than ending the journey with a warm meal at the Tibetan kitchen, together with my hungry boys? Pangong Lake sits at over 13,000 feet, stretching across India and China. Its crystal clear waters shift from light blue to deep blue, making it one of the most magical places in Ladakh. If you are wondering what all I had packed for this trip, the full list is in the description below. Please take a look and subscribe this channel.